Hello everyone, welcome you all to an exciting and easy learning for pre-primary channel. Today let us remember our great leaders and pay a warming tribute towards their sacrifice, love, hope and dedication. So let's proceed. Mahadev Govind Ranade. He is popularly referred to as Justice Govind Ranade, was an Indian scholar, social reformer, judge and author. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was an Indian reformer who was one of the founders of Brahmo Sabha. He was given the title of Raja by Akbar II, the Mughal emperor. Dadabhai Navroji. He is also known as Grand Old Man of India and unofficial ambassador of India. Madan Mohan Malviya. He was an Indian scholar, educational reformer and political notable for his role in Indian independence movement. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He was a senior leader of Indian National Congress and the founder of the Servant of India Society. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He was also known as Badshah Khan. Despite being a citizen of Pakistan, Khan was held with a great deal of respect by the people and leader of India. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1987 by the government of India for his contribution to the Indian freedom struggle. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was an Indian philosopher and a statesman who served as the second president of India. He was a renowned teacher. Lala Lajpat Rai. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. All you need to know about the man from Punjab who gave the slogan Simon Go Back. Vinoba Bhave. He was an Indian advocate of non-violence and human rights. He is best known for the Bhudan movement. He is considered as national teacher of India. Sarojini Naidu. She was an Indian political activist and poet. A proponent of civil rights, she was an important figure in Indian struggle for independence. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He was Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination towards the untouchables. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was an Indian statesman who served 3 terms as the Prime Minister of India. Rajiv Gandhi. He was an Indian politician who served as the 6th Prime Minister of India. He became the youngest Indian Prime Minister at the age of 40. He went to Delhi and became a member of a flying club where he was trained as a pilot. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Bhai Jhaveri Bhai Patel, Gujarati, endeared as the Sardar, was an Indian statesman. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. He was an Indian independence activist, Islamic writer and a senior leader of Indian National Congress. He became the first Minister of Education in the Indian government. Govind Vallabh Pant. He was an Indian freedom fighter. Pant was a key figure in the movement of India's independence. Rabindranath Tagore. He was a poet, writer, playwright, composer, philosopher, social reformer and painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art. Sonia Gandhi. She is an Indian politician. She is the President of India National Congress, a big tent political party which has governed India of most of its post-independence history. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram. Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 till 2007. Indira Gandhi. She was the 3rd Prime Minister of India and was also the first and to the date only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was an Indian nationalist whose defense patriotism made him a hero in India. Mahatma Gandhi. He is also known as Bapu. He was an Indian lawyer who served the world over for his non-violence philosophy and passive resistance. His many of followers title him as a great souled one. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a central figure in India during the middle third of 20th century. He was the principal leader of Indian independence movement in the 1930s and 1940s. He was fond of roses and children, as his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence activist, lawyer, scholar, and subsequently the first president of India. Swami Vivekananda. He was an Indian Hindu monk. He was a chief disciple of 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. Jamshedji Tata. He was India pioneer industrialist who founded the Tata Group, India's biggest company. He is regarded as a legendary father of Indian industry. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. He was Indian philosopher, social leader and founder of Arya Samaj, a reformer movement of a Vedic Dharma. He was the first to give the call of Swaraj as India for Indians in 1876. Lokmanya Tilak. He was an Indian nationalist teacher and an independence activist. The British colonial authorities call him the father of the Indian unrest. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a charismatic Indian socialist revolutionary who participated in the murder of a junior British police officer and an Indian head constable in a case of misplaced revenge for the death of an Indian nationalist. Suggestion regarding various topics related to pre-primary would be appreciated. A huge thank you for watching this video. Please give thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell icon with the comment below. Thank you.